Morning. We are back. Caught a couple whitefish yesterday, but we went a little bit lower on the system. Water is a lot bigger down here, a lot of creeks and snow melt and running into the river, so it's a lot bigger, but still really good color. And yeah, we're gonna see if there's anything in here. I have to tell you, that hyper shell, you know, if you are anything like me, right? I had that lower back injury and I still struggle with nerve impingement down in my lower lumbar, which kind of robs me from power in my legs. So these type of trips that I'm doing right now would be very difficult, if not impossible, without this new exoskeleton. I have to tell you, ever since I purchased my hypershell, it's been a, you know, I know it's cliche, but it's been a game changer. It allows me to push through current, go up and down steep trails, walk a river. I probably go about twice as far now that I used to be able to go prior to this hypershell, and when things started kind of ramping up in a negative way in my back. So if you have some mobility issues and are looking for an assist, this thing works. It is water resistant. It's not waterproof, but it is water resistant, I should say. But yeah, it's absolutely worth the investment if you got any sort of mobility issues and you're just trying to get around better. So I'll leave a link down in the pinned comment if you want to take a look and potentially pick one up for yourself.